Every child with autism spectrum disorders will have some or the other behaviors which are known as challenging behaviors, which are difficult for parents, for teachers, for relatives to control. The behaviors can be in school, the behaviors can be at home, the behaviors can be at public places. And the ways to manage those behaviors at different places are different, and the reasons might also be different. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I am the founder of Butterfly Learnings. Sometimes the child might not be diagnosed as autism spectrum disorder but still has behaviors, and sometimes the children have a diagnosis of a developmental problem and then they have a behavior. Now, we will first discuss why the child shows a behavior, and then we'll try to analyze the behaviors at different locations and try to handle those. The first is why the child shows a behavior. The child shows a behavior because of three common reasons. The first reason is when the child wants something. That means he wants something which he is not able to get by asking, or he doesn't know only how to ask. मतलब मुझे कोई चीज़ चाहिए है but वो मैं मांग नहीं पा रही हूँ, मुझे कैसे मांगना है पता नहीं है, तो और किस तरीके से मैं मांगू मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं गुस्सा दिखा रही हूँ. That thing can be a toy, that thing can be a food item, that thing can be going out, that thing can be ride on a vehicle, या पापा के साथ बाहर जाना है, पार्क जाना है, it can be anything. कुछ भी चीज़ जो बच्चे को पसंद है. The second reason why a child shows a behavior is usually to gain attention of a person or gain attention of someone. So why do they do that? Because I am unable to ask for attention using words. So for example, मम्मा इधर देखो, मम्मा मेरे पास आओ, मम्मा देखो ना मैंने क्या किया है. I'm not able to tell those words, so I call for attention by showing the behavior. Once I show the behavior, mama comes and gives me attention and my work is done. So I show behavior to gain someone's attention. Sometimes kids try to use behaviors to gain someone's attention when they feel that they are not getting attention otherwise. So for example, if a new baby comes or a new sibling comes who is just born and mama's attention is towards that sibling, the elder child actually feels like my attention is gone. वो जो new बच्चा आया है वो पूरा attention अपनी मम्मी का ले लिया है, तो मेरे लिए attention नहीं बचा है. So if I do something wrong, or if I do some behaviors, if I show some behaviors, मम्मा फट से भाग के आती है. उस समय मम्मा मुझसे बात कर लेती है, उस समय मम्मा मुझे attention दे देती है, तो why not to use those behaviors to gain someone's attention. The third common reason why the child shows a behavior is to escape from something or to avoid something. That means I don't want to go to a wedding because there are a lot of people there, so I show a behavior. Or when I go there, I want to come out of that. I want to just get away from there, and that's why I show a behavior. मुझे डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना, सैलून जाना नहीं पसंद है. मैं आ गया वहाँ पे, अब मुझे वहाँ से निकलना है, इसलिए मैंने behaviors दिखाया. मम्मी जब मुझे पढ़ाने बैठती है, मुझे वो नहीं अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं behaviors दिखाता हूँ. So basically to escape from a demand or to avoid a demand or to get escape from a social situation or an environment, child shows a behavior. The last reason, which is less common but they do show a behavior, is when there is some internal discomfort. So suppose I am hungry, suppose I am thirsty, I'm not able to tell that I am hungry. मैं बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मुझे भूख लगी है, but मुझे पेट में कैसा कैसा हो रहा है, वो मैं बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ. So I show a behavior. So to express discomfort, which is internal. And the last one is some kind of sensory issues which might be there. So for example, ऐसे 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 करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैं करता हूँ. कोई भी चीज़ मुंह में डालना मुझे अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैं करता हूँ. So there might be some behaviors which they do because they like it. Usually aggressive behaviors, self-hitting behaviors, self-biting behaviors, biting others, hitting others, usually are not sensory. They usually are having some or the other reasons. किसी बच्चे को खुद को मारने से, खुद को तकलीफ देने से मजा नहीं आ सकती, उसको लगता है, उसको भी दर्द होता है. It is usually to express something or because of the reasons which we discussed. Now, once you get to know why the child is showing the behavior, you need to